Welcome to the Jmix tool. This is where you can make jumbled sentences or jumbled words which the learners then have to recreate in the correct order. At the top of the screen we have the title. On the left we have the place where we will put the text which the computer will jumble up for us. It will mix it up. And then on the right hand side we have some boxes in which we can put alternatives. Now that means some sentences might have more than one correct answer. If you're smart and you can work those out beforehand, you can type them into these boxes. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our mixed quiz. So at the top I need to type in my title. Now on the left hand side, this is where I will insert my text. So follow me over to my Microsoft Word document where I have my text document. So I'm going to select the text I want. I'm going to right click, copy, follow me back over to jQuiz, and in this box right click and paste. Now you can see that the sentence has appeared. However, I have to tell the computer where to break up the sentence or what parts will be jumbled. So I need to put each different part on a new line. So at the start of each word I put my mouse and I press enter on my keyboard, and now the computer knows to jumble each word. I can break up the sentence wherever I like. Alright, there are no alternatives to this sentence, so I'm going to leave those blank. Now down the bottom you can see two options. If we want the learners to make a sentence without using all the words or punctuation, we choose the top option. The bottom option is if we want the learners to be exact by using all the words and all the punctuation. Well, I'm going to choose the bottom option. Alright, it's time to save my work now. So I've saved my work as AA Mix 2, and you can see that I've saved it in my hotpot. Okay, now I want to see what this looks like on the web. So I go File, Create Web Page. Now you can see I have two options. Standard format is where the learners just click on the word and it will appear at the top of the page. Drag and drop is exactly what we saw in Jmatch, where the learners have to drag and drop the different parts. So I'm going to do drag and drop because I like drag and drop, and save. And now it's asking me, should the word the always begin with a capital letter? Because usually the sentence begins with a capital letter. Well, I don't want to give my learners that clue, so I'm going to click no. View in the browser. Now we can see my sentence, and all the learners need to do is drag and drop the words and then click check. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the Jquiz tool. Now I would like to make a Jmix of just one word where each letter is mixed up. So File, New, give it a title. Now since this is going to be just one word, I need to collect the word from my document. I'm going to choose elephant. Back over to Jmix. Paste. Now I would like to break elephant up into syllables, not individual letters. Elephant. Elephant. Alright, that looks good to me. Now you can break these words up however you like. You can do individual letters or syllables or whatever suits you. Now, there are no alternatives, so I leave these squares blank. I want the learners to use the whole word or all the parts, so I choose my bottom option. I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to save it as AA Mix 1. Now, I want to see what this looks like in my web browser. Create web page. I'm going to do standard format and view the exercise in my browser. And as you can see, it's broken up into syllables. So we'll go elephant and check. And that is how you make jumbled mixed sentences or words in Jmix.